God meet me here. A quiet morning cry and renewal song by Samuel Okudilishuku. Poetic introduction. This is not a shout. This is not a song for the crowd. It's just me and you, God, right here. I woke up with 1,000 thoughts, some hopeful, some afraid. Yesterday still on my shoulders, tomorrow asking me to be brave. I didn't come with fancy words or promises I can't defend. I only came with an open heart, asking you to meet me where I am. God, I know come because I'm strong. I come because I need you now. If you know show for me this morning, I don't know how I go. Move on. Oh, meet me here in this quiet place. Before the world asked anything of me, I need your grace. God needs me here before the day begins. I don't need all the answers yet, just peace within. Phone don't ring, messages they wait. Everybody needs something from me. But before I answer the whole world, make I first hear wetin God go tell me. Some days I smile but my heart tired. Some nights sleep no they come. But if God fits it with me small, I go find strength to carry on. Chukum noro mensota, obuye mwere kamjibiara. Wen kasi obigi juputa nobi, meka malite obochi eudo. I don't need the whole road, just today. God meet me here. God meet me here where my fears are small. If you walk with me today, I can face it all. God meet me here. That is all I pray. If you hold my hand this morning, I'll be okay. I don't need the whole road, just today. Go.